I am ready. Not because I feel brave, but because I have been trained to be. My sensei used to say, "A calm mind is a sharp blade." I hold those words now, more than I hold my sword. I have walked this path since I was a boy, before I knew what fear was, before I knew what death meant. Now I know both. In my country, a warrior does not fight for glory. He fights for duty, for those who cannot stand behind him. English is not my first language, so my words may be simple, but my heart is steady. Today I may die. That is not something I resist. A warrior does not beg life to stay. He meets whatever comes with open eyes. My sensei also said, when your breath is quiet, your spirit is loud. So I breathe slowly now. The battlefield is waiting, and I will not turn away. If this is my final step, then it will be taken with honor.